और ये बताओ यार, तुम न्यूज़ देख रहे हो कि नहीं? न्यूज़ में देख रहे हो ये वर्क वीक का क्या चल रहा है आजकल?
Yes, not exactly the work week, but I have seen other news like stuff. But what
Like
about the
what
work
what
week?
what have you been caught up with?
Um, Elon Musk launched the second, like there was like you saw that, no?
Yeah.
The क्या बोलते हैं उसको, chopstick से पकड़ा था rocket
Yeah, yeah,
booster.
yeah. Even Abhilash posted it.
हाँ, he did the second launch successful.
Yeah.
Catch किया. It is crazy भाई, that is crazy.
Yeah.
मुझे वो ना बहुत crazy लगता है.
तो
That you can carry
मेरे
with
को
a
कुछ नहीं
chopstick.
पता, और बता मतलब I obviously साइंस मेरे को समझ नहीं आता
हाँ, तो
ज़्यादा.
I'll tell you, it's like again, it's, look at it from a problem solving mindset, huh?
Yeah.
Like you can ask the question कि why are you catching a rocket booster with a chopstick?
Yeah.
Very simple. क्यों कर रहे हो ऐसा? Though the first, like there's multiple reasons, and like वो reasons आप सुनोगे ना, you're like, okay, this is like next level problem solving कर रहा है ये बंदा. Now the first thing that you have to understand about rockets is that like in space nothing burns. Not even a matchstick. To burn you need oxygen. तो oxygen
Yeah.
लेके जाना पड़ता है साथ में.
Yeah.
No, so basically a rocket is like you are carrying fuel
Yeah.
to burn later.
Yeah.
बाद में burn करने के लिए. So अगर मुझे I have to go like a little bit further, then I don't have to carry that much amount of fuel. I have to carry that much amount of fuel plus the amount of fuel to carry that amount of fuel.
Yeah.
Right? So it's like a logarithmic equation.
Yeah,
It increases exponentially. No? So then if you want to, let's say, go to Mars,
Yeah.
which is like very, very far away. Now, if you
Yeah.
want to go to Mars, then you'd need to have a very huge rocket, right? And weight is also definitely a concern. Like you want to decrease the weight as much as possible on the rocket.
Yeah.
Like, जितना हो सके उतना weight कमाना है rocket में.
Yeah.
Now, which means that rocket will be very big. बहुत बड़ा rocket होगा. It will have a lot of weight. It's like like 23 or 33 story building है वो.
Hmm.
That is the amount of like वो booster है सिर्फ. That is the size of the rocket, right?
Hmm.
इतना बड़ा rocket अभी तुमको लेके जाना है. Now here's another problem that you'll have is that you'll have to somehow make the rocket stand some. Like
Yeah.
in the previous version of जो rocket SpaceX का था, you've seen ना उसका एक वो था stand होता था, like the stand pops up नीचे. Have you seen? Like उसका booster you can quickly open up on YouTube. Like या नहीं तो SpaceX rocket booster कर दो, मैं दिखाता हूँ 1 second. SpaceX rocket booster landing.
नहीं, I have seen, मतलब मेरे को specific
Like जो ground में land
instrument
करता
का
है ना?
नाम हम नहीं पता.
No, it's like stand वो
हाँ, stand देखा ही
ये जो
तो
ये
घुस
stand
जाता है
है.
ना
हाँ.
हुक करके.
नहीं, not that stand. This one. That one right there.
Oh, okay, this stand.
हाँ, this stand. They used to have a stand, right?
Okay.
So the problem is that the stand has a weight. That is the problem. First
Yeah.
problem. Second problem is stand का तो weight है, bigger the rocket, bigger the stand.
Okay.
Bigger the rocket, bigger the stand. So you need a bigger stand. First problem. Second problem is rocket अभी वहाँ पे है. Like it's on land. Like
Yeah.
जहाँ पे भी land के वहाँ पे है. Launch होगा यहाँ पे. Like to launch a rocket, you need a specific area because when you launch a rocket, no, like you are expelling extremely hot gases at extremely fast rate, and the amount of energy, sound energy that is released is so powerful that it will probably collapse buildings. It will probably shatter the rocket itself. Rocket
Okay.
खुद टूट जाएगा.
Okay.
Like that is the amount of sound energy that is released. No,
Okay.
like imagine you have a rocket like this. अगर तुम ऐसे
हाँ.
जमीन में अगर करने जाओगे, the rocket fuel will release, इतना ज़्यादा आवाज़ या energy release होगा, the rocket itself will crack. ना, so rockets जहाँ पे launch होता है, they use water, like water sprays use करते हैं
Yeah, yeah.
all over the area. तो
Yeah.
you see the smoke that is coming, white smoke when the rocket launches,
Yeah.
that is actually water vapor. Water vapor है वो. It's
अच्छा.
not the rocket smoke. Right, so the water vaporizes and
Okay.
in the process it absorbs the sound energy, absorbs the energy, preventing the rocket from destroying itself.
Okay.
Right, so you need to take this rocket which is on land somewhere.
Yeah.
एक बड़ा सा गाड़ी होता है. It's like a very huge truck.
Yeah.
And that moves at like 5 kilometers an hour. बहुत slow.
Yeah.
You can just like walk faster than a vehicle, no?
Yeah.
And then it takes the rocket from here all the way to the जहाँ पे launch होगा,
हाँ, हाँ.
refuel the rocket and then move it. So Elon Musk kind of solved the refueling problem.
Okay.
But this problem कि लेके जाना है वहाँ पे फिर launch करो, plus the problem of the weight. So he thought, why don't we just जहाँ पे rocket का वो launch जहाँ से होता है, why don't you just launch the rocket from there? It goes to space, turns back around, comes back to where it launched, and then you catch it with the rocket जो जिसे पकड़ के रखता है उससे तुम catch कर लो rocket को, and then you get rid of the stand. So which means that you can have a rocket go to space, come back, refuel it,
Yeah.
go to space, come back, refuel it. It's like a क्या बोलते हैं? It's like a system. No, the
Yeah.
rocket can infinitely be sent to space, come back, sent to space,
Yeah.
come back. So I just find it crazy that he thought of this and even achieved it.
I mean, Musk is just brilliant, right?
Yeah.
5 companies चला रहा है, 10. CEOs भी है, enough has been written about it,
Yeah.
frameworks आ चुके हैं, tweets लिख ले रहे हो, वही
Yeah.
it's crazy. I think on building in public, right, Musk is doing it. वो content नहीं बनाता, लेकिन जो भी करता है वो content बन जाता है.
हाँ, everybody
That is
pays
interesting,
attention
right? I mean that, yeah, go on.
No, everybody's paying attention to him because he's done shit in life.
Yeah.
वो crazy काम करके रखा है उसने.
I mean, yeah, if you actually take audacious bets,
हाँ.
eyeballs आ ही जाते हैं eventually, I think. Like if you do crazy things, eyeballs आ ही जाते हैं.
Yeah, but and there's another thing now. There's like a different perspective to this, in the sense that you look at Elon Musk and be like, I don't know if there are people who look at Elon Musk and be like, I want to be Elon Musk. I don't know if there are people like that.
Yeah.
I assume there are, because obviously you would aspire to be someone like him, richest person in the world, definitely. But you look at his life. I have read a tweet where maybe it was not a tweet, maybe it's a video. I don't know. I consume a lot of content and things just come
Yeah.
to me.
Yeah.
So there was this worker, like there was this person who worked in at Tesla.
Okay.
Right, and he used to drive a Tesla, and then the person who is narrating the story, the blog article or the video I was watching, he used to see this person and like, Tesla mein ja rahe ho, and then you see this guy, everybody going to Tesla to their work in a Tesla, right?
Yeah.
And one day he just looks at the guy and he's like, this guy is not in a Tesla anymore. Like he's like दूसरे गाड़ी में जा रहा है, he's not in a Tesla, and he's like, what happened to you? And he's like, I'm no longer working in Tesla. Like, why?
Okay.
Because he's like, well, my wife was in labor and Musk was like, you have to be at office now.
Okay.
So that is like the level of, so if you are working at Tesla or SpaceX or any of these companies, then that is the kind of work ethic you should have. And I think that is the work ethic that Musk expects from people, because that is what he has.
Yeah.
Right? So that is a thing. Like, I wonder how many people are capable of achieving that. Like, if you never skipped a party in your life, or you never skipped a festival just for the sake of work, then I think you cannot be Elon Musk.
Yeah, and that's the question, right, that you raised. कि लोग होना भी चाहते हैं कि नहीं Musk? क्यों होना चाहते हैं is another question.